much of a reassuring factor is that MS is still around, like as a vice captain, as a leader? I mean, what are the things that, I mean, how does he inspire and instill that confidence?
MS Dhoni?
MS Dhoni, yeah. What is the influence that he still has in the team?
Yeah, of course. That's without a doubt. Over the years, we've seen what sort of presence he has in the dressing room and on the field. With him being around, there's a sense of calmness around the group, which is very important, I think. And also a bit of help as well to the captain, because he stands behind the stump, and he's captained India for so many years, and he's been such a successful captain for India. So him being around with the team always is helpful. And yes, he's like a guiding light, I would say, around the group. And I think also with the batting down the order, getting us through the line, that finishing touch is very, very important. He's finished so many games for us, so that role that he plays is very, very important in terms of his batting. And around the field, like I said, his calmness, his advice, what he thinks about the game, what he thinks about what we should do right now is very, very important. So those kind of things that he does brings a lot on table for us, and his presence around the group is a massive factor for us.
Rohit, this is the first ODI of the year, and it's obviously seen as the World Cup year. So you were asked in Marathi, but still, in terms of the importance in by way of building up to the World Cup, and what are your thoughts on that generally, and specifically, what do you feel as the vice captain are the slots we need to look at, and to get the combination right, because there's hardly any time. May is the World Cup, will be already in January.
Yes, absolutely. I think this 13 ODIs that we're going to play before the World Cup, more or less you will see the same squad playing in the World Cup. There will be one or two changes, keeping in mind the form and injury concerns over this next few months. We played a lot of cricket throughout the year, so the injuries are bound to happen, and there will be some concerns about form and fitness, but I don't see there will be any drastic change in the squad. Honestly, looking at the slots, more or less, I think the slots are pretty much taken by individuals. But having said that, I still feel everything will depend on the form of each player. I think nobody is guaranteed that flight to England as yet. We got to be in prime form, each and every player that will be taking part in that World Cup. So I think all of us is aware of that, and we need to keep doing the right things, keep performing, and make sure that come the World Cup we are ready for it, and we are confident going into that.